Hey, look at that dude over there.
Wait, is that Richard?
Yep, I think it is.
Yeah, he got snacks, of course.
Snack pack. Look at him.
Zebra cake is his favorite.
Yeah, son.
You know what?
Son, let's go take it.
Yeah,
Let's go take
I'm
it.
hungry anyway.
Ah, go get it.
Yo, I'm saving you from diabetes, bro. See you at football practice.
Yo, easy, son. Yo, stop playing, son. Yo, I'll be alright. Just give me my zebra cake. Yo, give me my zebra cake, son. Yo,
bro. Like seriously, like we gotta go right now. Like I got his
Easy,
food,
bro.
and you know how fast people are with their food, you know. He's fast as Clark Kent.
Bro, if
like
he
yo,
runs,
he
he's
is
gonna go
right
blind.
there.
Oh, damn, he charging. Oh, bro, we should probably get. Damn.
Jesus Christ.
Mama,
Mama, I love you.
Mama.